Have you ever wondered if a healthy protein bar is basically just a candy bar in disguise? Today, we're going to explore the shocking truth about high protein snacks and how brands use clever labeling to hide mountains of sugar, starches, and artificial ingredients. Did you know that some of these bars clock in at 50% sugar, on par with a Snickers bar? So, which option is better if you want real nutrition? A bar full of soy protein, isolates and sugar alcohols, or a simple whole food meal? The difference is huge when you examine ingredients like maltitol, polydextrose, canola oil, and that infamous sucralose. You might not realize that many of those fibers and starches are basically sugar bombs in disguise, pushing your blood sugar up only to send you crashing down later. How many times have you seen a bar boasting 20 grams of protein and assumed it's clean without reading the label? A close inspection often reveals cheap soy-based protein, artificially sweetened syrups, and questionable bioengineered additives. Be cautious, because while you might get a brief energy boost, it likely ends in a blood sugar crash, bloating, and zero long-term health gains. Surprisingly, some bars contain up to 58% sugar, overshadowing any benefits from added vitamins or fortified protein. Stop assuming that protein equals healthy. These bars can wreck your diet just as fast as candy. If you're serious about nutrition, my suggestion is to keep your eyes peeled for real, unprocessed ingredients, or consider simpler whole food options. Always keep a healthy meal ready nearby to avoid reaching for these protein bars. Your wallet and your waistline would thank you. By choosing whole foods over processed protein bars, you ensure that you're fueling your body with the nutrients it truly needs without the hidden sugars and harmful additives that can undermine your health goals. Instead of relying on misleading labels and marketing gimmicks, prioritize foods that offer genuine nutritional benefits and support your overall well-being. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, making informed choices about your snacks can make a significant difference. Remember, not all protein bars are created equal, and understanding the ingredients can help you make better decisions for your diet. So next time you're tempted by a high protein snack, take a moment to read the label and consider whether it truly aligns with your health and fitness objectives. Embrace whole, natural foods that provide sustained energy and essential nutrients, and steer clear of those that offer empty calories and temporary fixes.